Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss about attributes in HTML. So we'll discuss attributes in HTML. So basically, what are attributes? So attributes are the extra information which will be there in the tag. So the attributes are the extra information for the tags. So here I have created a file called attribute.html. So just you have to click here and you have to create attribute.html. And in the previous class, we have discussed the image and anchor text code, right? So I have just copied this code and I have pasted in the attribute.html. That's it. So why? Because I just have to explain about attributes, right? So for explaining that attributes concept, so this code is necessary. So that's why I have copied that code here. So here the point is, so what are attributes? So here see, you can see the HTML, right? So for the HTML, we are having the lang attributes. For the HTML tag, we are having the lang attribute. So which tells the extra information for the HTML tag. So what it is telling? It is telling it is an English language. So EN specify it is an English language. And likewise, you'll be having for the meta, you're having charset, and for meta name, content, niches, hyphen scale. So all these things are attributes. So which tells the extra information of the tag. So I hope you understand. So likewise, you'll be having the image tag. So image tag will be having source. So what's the use of source? You can specify the path of any image and you can get that image on the screen. And what is the use of alternate attribute? It is an attributes which is helpful in, so whenever you did not specify any, like if you did not specify the correct path here, then this alternative attribute will work. This content will be displayed on the screen. So that's it, the alternate attribute. And we are having width. So as you know, right, width is something but the horizontal thing, and height is a vertical thing. So you'll be having with this 300 pixel. So if we consider any image, the width should be 300 pixel and height should be 300 pixels. And these are some attributes which is helpful for the image tag. I told you, right? It gives the extra information about that tag. And likewise, we are having the anchor tag. So anchor tag will be having the attribute hrefs. In the hrefs, what you have to include? You have to include the URL, the proper correct URL. Then whenever you click on this content which you write inside the anchor tag, then this URL will be worked and will be redirected to the website. It will be redirected to the website. So these are some attributes for some tags. So this is all about attributes. So I hope you understand the attributes in HTML. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.